Hey guys, I know it's been a really long time since I made a video. I think like a week, maybe more than that. Yeah, sorry. I might have fallen off the end of the earth a little bit. Well, I had been doing my couponing early in the week, so it was like Sunday or Monday when I was doing it. So then if I didn't have time throughout the rest of the week, then you didn't really see me. So, sorry. Here I am. I'm not dead. I did a little bit of Riteaid. It doesn't look like much, but it's actually pretty exciting. And it actually would be more, but I'm going to explain that in a minute. Okay, so my first transaction, did I even pay attention? Yes, okay. My first transaction is this. It looks pretty little. 4 things, but the deal that was going on was Bayer was buy 2, get 1 free, and when you buy 2, you got a $4 up reward. Well, the little Bayers, basically this size, only Bayer, were regularly $3.49 at the store. And so you would buy 4 of them. You would have 2 at $3.49. You would have 1 free because it's buy 2, get 1 free. And then the 4th one would be I have discount, so then I would get my 20% discount. Otherwise, it would just be the regular price of $3.49 again. So, that would all equal, let's see, I'll do it out on my calculator. Okay, for me, all of the 4 Bayers would equal $9.77. We had $4 off of 2 coupons, and we had $2 off of 1 coupon. So I used the $4 off of 2 because they were going to expire soon. So if you do $9.77 minus 2 $4 coupons, then that equals $1.77 is what you're paying. And you would get back $8 in plus up rewards. So it's basically like a $6 moneymaker if you have discount. Even if you don't have discount, it's still a moneymaker. It's just not maybe a $4 moneymaker or something instead. So you're probably wondering, why don't I have 4 of the Bayers here? I just have 1. Well, at my Riteaid, they were all out of the Bayers. And I only wanted to get the low dose because, well, the low doses or the chewables, I think another one too, of the little ones were cheaper than the rest of them. So that was a better deal for that. Plus, my mom only uses the low dose aspirin, so I was I told my manager, I was I don't know what to do. You're out of them. Are you going to get more in this week? Or is there any way that I could get a rain check? What do we do? And so the way we figured it out, because each of the little Bayer aspirins have, I believe, 32 in them. Yeah. So each of the little ones would have 32, and that would be equal to 128 capsules. So this one of the big is 120. Sorry for the glare. 120. So they were well, if you don't care that you're going to be missing 8 capsules, we can just give you this and ring it up like it's 4 Bayers. Because it basically equals 4 Bayers. So I was okay, as long as, that's okay for you guys. And they were yeah, because it's the same count and everything like that. So they let me still do all my coupons and everything like that as if I was getting the 4 Bayers. But then they just compensated with the 120 count, which I was happy with. I was glad because my mom can get the aspirin now. It was something, that I actually really needed, so I was kind of disappointed when I didn't think I was going to be able to get it. I didn't really want to drive to other Riteaids because they're farther away, so I'm pretty happy with that. I hope you guys don't think that I did something wrong, because this is, what the manager came up with. This is what corporate said they could do, because somebody else had came in and wanted the deal, they said, and so they used the Riteaid brand and gave them the Riteaid brand aspirins. But all the Riteaid brand aspirins were gone too. So otherwise I would have just done that. But this is like the same count, so I'm pretty happy with this. And it worked out, the same as it would have if I had 4. So, the Oral-B toothbrushes, they were $3.49. Get back a $2.50, I think. Yes, $2.50 plus up reward. We had dollar coupons from the P&G insert, so those were free, like a penny money maker, but basically free, because who cares about the penny, really, These pull-ups, a really good deal. If you have a child that needs pull-ups, you need to run to Riteaid, because in their ad, it just says a $6 plus up reward. It doesn't say size, it doesn't say anything. So, the $6 plus up reward is actually for the little, well, it's a jumbo pack, but it's the small pack. And so, at my Riteaid, those are normally $12.99. So, the $6 plus up reward makes it half price anyways. Plus, I had a $1.50 coupon, so that made it only with my discount, my 20% discount, the coupon, and the up reward, it made it only $2.89 for a pack of pull-ups. So, you need to go to Riteaid and get pull-ups. I actually got another one when I bought the pull-ups, another one printed out. So, I'm going to go tomorrow, I think, and get another pack of those. And who knows, maybe another one will print out. I don't know what the limit is for how many up rewards. I'm going to check that first, obviously. But, yeah, if you need some pull-ups, it's a really good deal. So, for this one, this was one transaction. For this transaction, my total before tax was $3.64. My total after tax was $5.27. I saved $32.89, and I used, okay, kind of confusing, I used $12 in plus up rewards to roll, kind of like I've talked about rolling. So get plus up rewards, use it on more plus up reward deals to get even more if you can, or at least the same amount. So I used $12 in plus up rewards, and I got back $19 in plus up rewards for this transaction. So even though it's a little teeny tiny transaction, it was cheap, and really, with me paying $5 out of pocket, and I only used 12 up rewards, and I got 19 back, so that's, what, a $7 moneymaker, I think. Yep, $7 moneymaker. So, that's a really good deal. So, if you subtract the $5 that I paid, even if you want to get really technical, the $5 I paid out of my pocket, that's like still a $2 moneymaker. But either way, it was beyond free. It was a moneymaker. So, I thought I was going to be able to do this in one video, but apparently I ramble on and on and on. So, I'm going to do 2 separate videos, I guess. Seems silly with not having that much stuff. But, okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.